Welcome again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome. And today, another one-pot recipe. Caprese pasta. So easy, so delicious. And the combination of the pasta with the tomatoes, mozzarella and parmesan cheese is absolutely out of this world. Now let's grab a little piece here. Oh, look at the cheese. It is stretching. And I like it a little on the chunky side. But if you want, you can spread the cheese around more evenly. You know something? That's up to you. Let's get going. Okay, grab yourself a large pot, keep it at medium heat. Let's add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now the controversy here, is this one pot or it's not one pot? For I'm going to be boiling the pasta on the side. So technically it's 2 or is it 1? Please let me know in the comments what you think about it. And now I'm adding 1 medium diced red onion. Not only being on the sweet side, but you know, it also is going to give us some beautiful color to this dish. And now here comes the Munto Italiano. 3 to 2 to 4 minced garlic. Go ahead, make your day. Now this is an option. You can add just a little bit of water, but here I'm adding white wine. How much? About half a cup to 3/4 of a cup. Now let's add 1 chicken cube, and for me, you know, it's going to be low sodium, so break it up in pieces like this. Now let's add some fresh ground black pepper. Now here you can add as much as you want. Now as for salt, be careful with the salt because there's going to be salt in the pasta water, and we're going to use some of the pasta water to liquefy our dish. Now bring the heat down to low, and let's just keep on moving this around and just cook it for about 1.5 minutes. And now let's put it on the side. Now here I'm using penne pasta, and I have the water boiling. I'm using about 250 grams or half a package. And of course I added about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a little stir, follow the instructions on the package, and I want it to be al dente. And now here we have our mixture, and I shall be back when the pasta is ready. Return your pan to the heat, keep it on medium heat, wait till it heats up, and now start taking your penne and put it in the pan. Don't worry about draining it too much because I want some of the water to go into the sauce, because what happens, it has starches and it makes it more flavorful and thicker. So look, now let's just stir this, see how it's looking. It is absolutely perfect. Okay, here it goes. I'm adding 1/3 cup of cream. Now if you want it more creamy, just add a little bit more. That's up to you. And to give it that fresh cheesy taste, about half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Now if you find that it's still on the thick side, I want you to add a little bit of milk or some more pasta water from your pot. Keep on adding a little bit till you get it exactly the way you want it. Now I'm getting hungry. Are we finished? No. I'm going to grab about 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. And you know, I like it more on the chunky side, so I just chopped it roughly like this. If you want a little bit more smooth and even, then I would just shred it up and spread it all around. Now let's take some cherry tomatoes, baby tomatoes, or grape tomatoes, whatever you want to call them. Grab as much as you want, split it in half, make your life easier, and put that to the dish. Are we done? Not yet. Now here I'm adding some roughly chopped parsley. If you don't want to use parsley, you can use basil or even both. And just spread that all around just like this. Okay, now let's cover it and let it go for a few minutes on medium-low until the mozzarella has melted. Okay, it's been about a couple of minutes, and now I'm checking it, and I can see the mozzarella is still not the way I want it. So I'm going to cover it and let it go for another 2 minutes, and it will be ready. So once again, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please watch my other videos, and once again, it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.